Why I scheduled an appointment this early, God only knows. Tell me why I get to the OB at 9 o'clock for my appointment, get my ultrasound done, great, and I only get in to see her at 11. An hour? Why can't these appointments be on time? What? What? I sat in the waiting room for an hour for a 5-minute appointment. Anyways, happy Vlogmas day 13. I've had a morning. It is 11:30. I have grocery pickup at 12. And I've got to go pick up Zach. We're going to go get the groceries. Get home. Unload them. Probably make some lunch at this point. Get Zach down for a nap. Anyways, happy Vlogmas day 13. Come along with me to come pick up my groceries, restock my fridge, and do everything else around the house. I don't know. Stark von asleep. Stark von asleep. I love that. Making a mess, as always. Getting that I already had eggs. Alrighty, that's all I really have for you guys today. We did our grocery restock. I hit the OB. I didn't end up doing my Monday cleaning reset like I normally do, so I'll probably have to do that tomorrow. But I did show you guys that barbecue ranch skillet. It was so good. I hope you guys try that recipe. I absolutely love it. And I hope you guys like it just as much as I do. But I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow for the next day.